guys, welcome to my new apartment.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new apartment. I actually moved, so I'm super excited to share with you guys the new layout, as well as share with you guys what my plans are as far as decorating and all of that stuff goes. Also, what is super exciting about today's video is that it is in partnership with Ring. And if you guys didn't know, I am a huge fan of Ring. My entire family is a huge fan of Ring. Fun fact, if you go in my Ring app, I kind of want to show you guys, but I don't want to like expose too much personal information. There's over 15 different Ring cameras. So as a family, we kind of like to share all of our Rings together. That way we can all like kind of look out for each other. But if you guys didn't know, Ring has some super awesome products. So I'm gonna be showing you guys right here. This is the video doorbell, which is one of my favorite products that they have, but they do have other cameras and alarms, whatever kind of like fits your needs. So I actually live in an apartment, and the cool thing about these video doorbells is they don't have to be hardwired. That is simply optional. They can actually run by battery, and you can put them on your door and not have to plug them actually into the doorbell, which is super cool. So I don't see anything outside of my front door in the apartment that I live in, which when you think about it is a little interesting to say the least. I don't really see anything that goes on. So having a video doorbell really changes the game for me. And if you guys don't have one of these, you seriously need one. I love mine. You will be so shocked at the things that you see. It's also super convenient because you can see when your packages get delivered, and sometimes they don't always alert you on time. So I can like see the delivery man. You can even speak through them. So I can tell the delivery man or the person like delivering food, thank you. The app and everything is super user friendly. So how I have it set up is I just get a notification to my phone whenever there's motion, and you can kind of set the different types of motions. I just feel so safe with my Ring video doorbell. So if you're gonna spend money on anything for your home, I would highly recommend getting one. So as a subscriber, they're actually being kind enough to give you guys a special offer. So if you guys wanna get your own Ring video doorbell and start making your place safer, you can go over to ring.com/Nastazsa and check that out. That is ring.com/Nastazsa. I will have everything that you guys need to know, as well as that link in the description box down below for you guys to check out. All right, now that you guys have seen the front door, we can move within the apartment. The first thing that you see when you walk in is this little entryway area, which I'm so excited about. If you guys saw my entryway makeover in my last place, I kind of had to like make an area into the entryway. There wasn't like an actual space for it. So here, having that like actual dedicated area that is going to be the entryway just makes me so happy. And then there's another feature that I really like. When I saw it at first, I was like, this is kind of unnecessary. It does add to the square footage though of the apartment, and it's like this little bar area, which originally when I saw it, I was like, wait, this would be like a perfect area to also use for like editing videos, and then I could like forego having like an actual desk. You guys know, if you've watched my channel for quite some time, I go back and forth. I will get a desk and then I'll get rid of it. I'm just not good at working at desks all the time. To me, I need like a different, like more like cozy space. So to me, having a few bar stools here and then being able to just put my laptop there, and it's right off the living room, which again to me makes it feel more cozy and less like an actual office workspace, which is just how I work and thrive a little bit better. So that's a cool area. There's like a sink in there and everything. I don't like the fact that this wood that is on the bar area doesn't match the floor. They did it after as like an upgrade. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and cover that up with like some wallpaper or something. But moving on to the living room. This living room is very similar to the last one I had, but add about 10 feet. So it's about 10 feet larger, which just square footage wise makes everything awesome. I am so excited to decorate. I did go ahead and keep the same couch that I already had. It isn't shown here in the clip, but I do still have my couch and I love it. It's holding up quite nicely. Then from there, we move over to the dining room. Again, another area I'm so excited about. My last apartment was so small that when it came to the dining area, all that it could accommodate was just like a small round table. Again, I kind of turned it into an office space because that's how small it was. It was just like the perfect place for like a desk. But as far as like sitting down and eating, it could not accommodate a table that fit more than like 4 people. And even the 4-seater tables that I got you were like crowded and crammed, so I didn't find myself even really using that area as a dining space. Then moving on to the kitchen, again, it's just a little bit larger than my last place. It does have a few upgrades. It has newer appliances as well as a backsplash was put in. My last apartment didn't have a backsplash, which kind of made the kitchen seem a little unfinished, so I was happy to know that a backsplash was going to be added to the kitchen. So it's kind of like the kitchen that I already had, but upgraded. I think I'm gonna keep things like very simple in the kitchen. Okay, and then moving on from the kitchen, there's actually a full-size washer and dryer, which if you live in LA or you know anything about Southern California, most apartments do not come with this. You either are getting a half-size wash and dryer or you're not getting one at all. Most of the places that I toured did not come with a washer and dryer, which is why I just ended up upgrading the apartment that I already had and just moving to one that was larger, simply because of that fact. I didn't think that I could go without washer and dryer, especially because having it in my last apartment, a full size, and then just thinking about not having it. All right, and then off that washer and dryer kind of laundry room situation is the guest bathroom. So I'm excited that I have 2 bathrooms now, one a smaller one, and then you guys will see the master bath, and that's probably my favorite part of the entire apartment. But I love the style of this bathroom. It's super small and simple, but it does have a bathtub, which was super important for me. Some of the places also that I toured didn't come with a bathtub, and I was like, I like taking baths, not something that I am willing to give up. So it has a smaller sink, and then I really do love these like light fixtures that they added that just kind of like hang down from the ceiling. Again, a really nice upgrade to what I had before. All right, now we're gonna make our way to the master bedroom, which it's very similar to my last bedroom, aside from the fact that with the upgrades came a new upgrade in paint color. So they actually do the all white walls with like a gray accent wall. So that's why there's these random gray walls. You guys saw it in the dining area and in here. My plan is to change those. I think I just want them to be back to the white color. So I will just do that on my own whenever I get time. But I do like the size of the master bedroom. As you guys can see, my queen size bed in these rooms looks so small. You can definitely fit a king, even a California king in these. They're really, really large master bedrooms, especially for an apartment, which I think is super cool. All right, so now we can move on to what is pretty much my favorite part, and that is like the master bath slash closet area. So you have this hallway where you have closets on both sides and they're both mirrored. That's another thing that they added to this unit before I moved in, is they upgraded all of the closets. Going down the mirrored hallway and you get this like vanity area, which is so convenient. I am super excited to like have this feature where I can like get ready and not be in the bathroom while I'm getting ready. That was another thing that's super annoying, is like having to get ready in like what was actually the bathroom. Now I have 2 separate bathrooms as well as a place to get ready. So not an important thing to have, more of like a nice to have in an apartment. And then after, you can walk through the door to the actual bathroom, which has a stand-in shower and then just another vanity, another sink, and a toilet. So it's like fully separated bathroom, and then you have a separate sink outside, as I showed you guys there. All right, guys, so that completes the empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this new space. I'm super excited about it. The lighting, as you can see, is really great also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite part of the new apartment. And again, a huge thank you to Ring for partnering with me on today's video. Don't forget to check them out using the link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!